Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful triangle cut kurti. For that I am using these measurements. You can change according to your requirements. So I will show the marking on a newspaper. For that I have taken a newspaper, folded once. Now firstly I will mark the shoulder. For that take half of your shoulder measurements. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch, half of it will be 6.75 inch. So I am marking at 6.75 inch here. The neck width will be 3 inch. From this point mark half inch downwards and join these 2 points. From here I will mark the armhole round. For that take half of your armhole round. My measurement armhole round is 14 inch, half of that will be 7 inch. Now I will mark the vertical measurements. For this, shoulder to apex is 10.5 inch, shoulder to waist is 14 inch and shoulder to hip is 21 inch. For chest I am adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33. Dividing it by 4 I will get 8.25 inch. For bust I am adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement bust is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35. Dividing it by 4 I will get 8.75 inch. For the waist I am adding 5 inch of ease. In my measurement waist is 27 inch. 27 plus 5 is 32. Dividing it by 4 I will get 8 inch. And for the hip I am adding 7 inch of ease. In my measurement hip round is 37 inch. 37 plus 7 is 44. Dividing it by 4 I will get 11 inch. Now I will join all these points. Now I will draw the armhole curve here. Now for seam allowance I am adding 2 inch more through this side. Now cut this piece. So I have cut this on this newspaper and this can be used for marking in all sewing projects. And I have taken 2 meter of cotton fabric which is folded once and then again folded diagonally. So it will be like this. Now I will trace the measurements from the paper to this fabric. So I have traced the measurements. Now I will mark the length. For triangle cut kurti we need 2 lengths. For high length I am taking 33 inches and for low length I am taking 48 inches. Now extending the line at 33 inch and joining this line with this. And from here drawing a line up to the 48th inch of mark, so it will look like a triangle. Now I will cut this. The cutting is done. Now I will separate the front part from it. Now I am drawing the front armhole here. For that I am making a curve half inch inwards. Then cutting it from here. Now for the front neckline, I am taking the neck width of 3 inch and marking at 4 inch from here, then making a box. And now make a round shape, then mark at 1.5 inch and give a V shape here. So the front neckline is done. Now for cutting the sleeves, I am taking the fabric left on the sides. It is folded once, then again I am folding it so that I can get 2 sleeves from here. The length is coming approx 11 inch, which is up to the elbow. Now I am taking the armhole. For that I am marking at 7 inch and 3 inch from here. Now draw a straight line like this and mark at middle of this line, which is approx 3.75 inch here. Mark at half inch outwards and draw a curve shape. It will be the back armhole round. For the front armhole, mark half inch inwards here and make a curve like S shape. Then take half of your elbow round. Here I am taking 6 inch and join this line. For seam allowance, I am adding 2 inch of fabric in this side. These are the 2 sleeves. Now I am placing these right side facing each other and I will cut the front armhole. For front neckline, cut a piece similar to this neckline and place right side facing each other and give a stitch through this neckline. I have stitched here and folded this side. Now give small cuts and turn it on the wrong side, then finish the neckline. So I have finished the neckline and in the back part I have attached a chain and finished the neckline. Now placing the fabric over the front part right side facing each other, I will give stitch on the shoulder. So I have joined the shoulders. Now I will attach the sleeves. For that, firstly attach the midpoint right side facing each other and then sew through this line. Attached the sleeves and finished the bottom line. Now I will give the fitting stitch. So the stitching is done. Now I will attach this dori in the neckline. If you want a tutorial on how to make this dori, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.